It's time to connect Klaviyo. Scroll down until you see integrations. To set up Klaviyo, click on Klaviyo. You will want a public API key and a private API key, and then you can select a list and you can test a connection. Let's do all of those right now. Inside Klaviyo, if you haven't used it before, go down to your name, click on Settings, scroll down to API keys. There you will see a public API key. Copy that, take it back across, post your public API key there. Now, you will want to create a private API key. You can grant it full access and select the name, Prehook, try-on, and then hit create. That will give you a private API key. Don't share this with people, but you can copy your API key in, go back, post your API key, and then test the connection. Great, connected. Come back to Klaviyo, go to Audience, Lists, and let's create a new list. List, Prehook, try-on, and create the list. Fantastic. Let's go over to Settings, Consent. Single opt-in will help you grow your list. Also check back over in your API keys and scroll down and see single opt-in. Okay, so we can select our Prehook try-on list, and then don't forget to hit Save and Connect. Great, so that is connected. You can always come back and test the connection and change the list if you want. All right, let's test this connection. I'll put it in an email and hopefully that will get sent over to Klaviyo. Okay. Great, looks good. Let's see, I'll also like the look. Great. And now let's go and see it on Klaviyo. Okay, we're back on Klaviyo. We can see that that profile has come through. So we can click on that and we can see that the try-on is completed, the try-on was liked, and the try-on was shared. Okay, fantastic. All of these metrics can be used to trigger email flows. So when someone completes a try-on, you can trigger an email flow. When someone likes a try-on, you can trigger an email flow. Or when someone shares their looks, you can trigger an email flow. You can see they've subscribed to email marketing and they've subscribed to the list we started. So if we go into lists, great, it's got one member. It's a good start. And fantastic, we can see that that support plus try on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has come through to this list. So now this list can be used to send email flows. The other thing that you can do is use these custom properties in your emails to dynamically personalize what each customer sees. So for example, you can use the Prehook try-on liked product, and in this case, they would see the terracotta linen utility jumpsuit from here, but another person might have tried on something else, and so that can be used to personalize messages. You can show them their liked products, and we'll have another video on how to personalize email flows within Klaviyo using Prehook AI Virtual Try-On data. But for now, that's all you need to get connected and start sending emails using Klaviyo and Prehook AI Virtual Try-On.